Hey guys, my name is Safira and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be sharing my wash day routine that gets my hair from looking like this to this. So let's get started. My hair was definitely ready for this. So step one is hopping in the shower and letting the water run through my hair. It needs to be completely soaking wet before I can move on to the next step. Now I'm starting off with shampoo, and I'm not gonna lie, I always just use the most affordable one I can get my hands on. The one I'm using in this video is from a Dutch drugstore, and it's the shampoo I use most often. It always gets the job done, so it's definitely one of my favorites. Today I'm using the Daily Mild version, and normally I'd go for the one made for curly hair, but this is what I had at home. As I'm shampooing, you can see that I'm mainly focusing on my scalp to get rid of all the buildup, and I'm also using this little scalp massage brush to help lift the dirt and product buildup. It may look a little rough, but it's actually super gentle. The bristles are actually really soft and flexible, so it's not scratching my scalp at all. It honestly just feels really nice. When it's time to rinse, I just simply let the shampoo run through the rest of my hair. I don't focus on applying shampoo to the ends because they get cleansed as the shampoo rinses through. I always like to shampoo twice just to make sure I've gotten rid of all the buildup and my hair is actually clean. And for the second shampoo, I use my fingertips to gently massage my scalp, making sure to pay extra attention to my hairline since I like to style my edges with gel. Now it's time to rinse again, making sure all the shampoo is completely washed out before moving on. Next, I'm going in with conditioner, and this is where I really like to take my time because detangling is such an important part of my wash day. I apply a generous amount of conditioner to each section and use this flexible detangling brush to work it through my hair. I always start at the ends and slowly work my way up, adding a little extra water whenever I need more slip. Before I forget to mention it, be sure to like this video, leave a comment, and subscribe to my channel. Also follow me on Instagram and TikTok, and that's it. Let's continue.
No one understands me, no. You're the only one I confide into, darling.
Once everything is fully detangled, I twist my hair into a little bun and cover it with a plastic bag to let the conditioner sit for a few minutes before rinsing it all out.
She said, take your time, it's no rush. I said, baby, I'm a dog, I'm a mother. She said, take your time, it's no rush. I said, baby, I'm a dog.
My hair dries so fast, but I like to style it while it's soaking wet, so I'm spraying it with more water before I start. For styling, I'm using the Cream of Nature Curl Activator Cream. That's a whole mouthful. And this has honestly become one of my all-time favorite products. It always gives me beautiful results. I'm always happy with how my hair turns out, and it's an affordable tool, which makes it even better. I almost forgot to mention that I do like to dilute the activator, the curl activator, with quite a bit of water because it's very thick and heavy, and I apply a generous amount to each section and really work it through with my hands to make sure every curl is evenly coated. And this is another step where I really like to take my time. After applying the product, I go in with even smaller sections and using my defining brush to define each curl individually, and I just repeat that process all over my head.
Can't stay if you want. It's been one of those nights I ain't had in a minute. It's been a minute, had the problems from the recreating feeling. But it's never the same as the first time we did it. First time we did it. But I let my guard down, baby.
Once all the product is applied, I let my hair sit for about 15 to 20 minutes before blow drying. And when I diffuse my hair, I always focus on my roots first because that's the part that takes the longest to dry. And once my hair is around 80 to 90% dry, I start scooping my curls up with the diffuser to help maintain the curl pattern while finishing the drying process. When my hair is fully dry, I take the diffuser off and start fluffing my curls with my hands to create some volume volume, and then I go in with my hair pick to lift the roots even more because I love big hair. I didn't pick out as much as I normally would because I know my hair is gonna expand over the next few days and I don't want to create unnecessary frizz on day one. And that is my full wash day routine. I'm left with soft, shiny, beautiful curls, and I'm really happy with how everything turned out. Hopefully this video was helpful. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to leave them in the comments. I'd be more than happy to help. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.